Now I want to talk about our high performance machines, okay? What's become so popular are these straight stitch machines that really are semi-industrial. And it starts with this, the working, the hook system is a rotary hook system that's steel on steel. It goes at high speeds. Whether you're a quilter, a lot of people are doing bag making or dressmaking, these machines give you the best straight stitch performance. You think about it, 90% of your sewing may still be straight sewing. Quilting, these are popular. So a lot of people are adding this to their existing models. So I carry several different models, and I'm going to start with the Janome Elnita EF1. Okay, and so this machine is part of their professional series, and this is built second to none. 8 ball bearings on the main shafts and the lower shaft. And so it's much more durable. It has the highest speed of all these machines, 1,600 stitches per minute. It has a very nice sturdy metal construction. And so let me show you a few things about this. So as you see here, we have 2 machines. We have the Elnita, which is made by Janome EF1, and the Janome HD9. These are both part of the professional system series that they have, and they both are built on the same platform. I'll go over the differences on it. But the nice thing about these machines is that, you hear that? I mean, they're all aluminum cast, and they've got a large opening, not only length here, but they also have, it's more height here. And if you just want to hear this, the way this machine works, it's incredible. It's such a beautiful sounding machine. I love the sound of this machine. 1,600 stitches per minute. Now, if we want to just go over this machine, what we can show you here is, like, if we look over here, we've got the automatic thread cutter. So we can take this here and simply press that, and it automatically cuts the thread. And I also have a knee lift. Now, this knee lift is kind of cool because I can basically just lift up my foot just by using my knee. Now, we go back over the surface here. This has a unique system. None of the other machines in this class have it. It has a separate bobbin winder motor. And so I can select this button here, and I can actually wind while I'm sewing on the machine. I can wind a bobbin. And the other machines don't have that capability. I do have the control to change my needle up and down. Now, what you have here, you've got a double tension system. And the tension system, this one here, allows you to work with thicker thread, as you see here. This also has more than double the pressure onto the fabric as a household machine, and I can adjust that right here. And it shows me on this gauge how much pressure. Sometimes you need more pressure. So again, this is designed for working with a wide variety of fabrics. Now, this does have an automatic needle threader. Can't live without this here. But let's look at what this can sew. This right here, this is 2 layers of belt. Another of machines that will do this. Now, I would normally change to a leather needle, but I want you to see this here. This right here has such power to go through this. Even that slow speed, it goes through fast. It's just perfect. That's why this is the machine of choice for bag makers, for people who different construction, home deck, quilting, of course. And so we have a bonus with this machine that includes all these special accessories. This one right here is the leather rolling foot. And what you can use this for, you see here where I'm sewing around a curve. Now, this is true leather that I would make a bag with, and yet this sews beautifully, and it gives me such great visibility. Now, let's say you wanted to work with a free motion quilting. What's unique about this has a free motion quilting plate. And what this does is it raises the surface of your free motion so you have less drag on the fabric. So it makes it much easier to work with. And the free motion foot has this special adjustment gauge that actually raises the foot above the surface of the fabric so it has less pressure on it. So it makes it much easier to maneuver with. Another one of the bonuses is the ruler foot that comes with it. So it allows you to work with different rulers, just like a long arm machine that works with it. And then it also has this heavy duty walking foot. And this truly is made with the machine, so this is great for working with your quilting and other items like this here. So this machine is an amazing machine, and we've got a very special buy on this. So the Elna, which is made by Janome EF1, has a retail price of $1,799. We have it on sale for $11.99. We have interest-free payments of $89.92 a month and free shipping across the country. Alaska and Hawaii is slightly extra.